I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read my emails. I read my emails. I leave for work. I leave for work. I drive to work. I drive to work.
I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office.
I start working. I start working. I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting. I take a short break. I take a short break. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. I eat lunch at 12 p.m.